Welcome to Academy for Pricing, the go-to resource for small business owners looking to grow and succeed. Today, we're tackling a topic that can be a bit tricky for many of us: increasing prices and how to justify them to your customers. It's a common misconception that price increases are solely for profit. In reality, they are often necessary for survival. It's not always about profit. Rising costs, inflation, market changes. These are realities we all face. But how do you explain this to your customers? Market analysis is the key. Why is this important? It helps you make informed decisions about pricing, product development, and marketing strategies. It's not just about setting prices. It's about positioning your business. You need to understand your competition and market trends. Based on your analysis, adjust your pricing. You might match your competitors, price lower, or even go higher if you offer additional value. Customers tend to prefer gradual price increases over sudden ones. Remember, transparent and early communication with your customers about these changes is crucial. Gradual price increases help maintain customer loyalty, as drastic changes can often lead to customer loss. It allows customers to adjust and accept the new pricing. It also enables you to gauge customer reactions and adjust your strategy accordingly. It helps in maintaining a steady revenue flow, preventing significant dips in sales that can occur with sudden and significant rises in prices. Improving your product or service's value can justify the increased cost. Enhancing your product or service quality, introducing new features, or offering additional customer benefits are excellent ways to add value. Customers are more likely to accept a price increase if they perceive an improvement in the value they receive. What is the best way to communicate a price increase? The answer lies in effective communication. Transparency is a must. Be clear about why prices are increasing. Use empathetic language to connect with your customers and acknowledge their potential concerns. Provide context to help them understand the broader reasons behind the increase. Using multiple communication channels ensures that your message is received, and inviting customer feedback shows that you value their input. Staying responsive to market conditions, cost changes, and customer needs is vital. A well-planned and communicated price increase can strengthen your business's sustainability and customer relationships. Remember, the key to success in price management is balancing business needs with customer value and trust. With the right approach, you can increase your prices successfully. Remember, it's all about transparency, communication, and adding value. Thanks for watching.